KTM, we know that the best riding terrain often lies a long way from home. To get you there quicker, easier, and with less hassle, we introduce Adaptive Cruise Control. Using built-in radar, ACC adapts your speed automatically to the traffic ahead, so you can keep your flow.
So all that technical stuff means is that for riders like me, is that you arrive at the good stuff fresh and ready to hit the best terrain.
Like the many innovative rider assistance features on the 2021 Super Adventure S, ACC relies on 6-dimensional lean angle technology.
So the main reason behind all these gizmos is that you just get there way safer and you have way more fun where you want to go. Yeehaw!
Using easily selectable ride modes, the lean angle sensors enable the motorcycle to adapt the combined performance more precisely and intuitively for all circumstances and conditions on your ride.
Let the adventure begin!
Discover more about the innovative new KTM 1290 Super Adventure S at ktm.com.